Welcome to this key, how to release emotional pain. At the end of this module, you will have a clearer understanding about how energy becomes blocked and depressed in the body and how to free up this energy. You will also understand how conscious relaxation assists to release blocked energy. I recommend that you spend at least 1 week on this module before you move on to the next one to really allow you to anchor the teachings and to experience the processes. So far we have explored the mind and the emotions and ways to integrate aspects of the self that have been denied or rejected. In this module, we continue to explore the idea of embodiment and how energy becomes trapped or stuck in the body. We will also explore conscious relaxation as a powerful tool to assist you to free up stuck and blocked energy. So let's begin with the first lecture about the vasomotoric cycle. See you soon.